Today I'm going to share with you how to clean your LNK9. Proper maintenance is key to safety, performance, and reliability. Let's walk through the essentials. Gather your cleaning supplies. Make sure your LNK9 is locked and pointed in a safe direction with your finger off the trigger. Remove the magazine from the firearm and confirm the chamber is empty. Next, use your fingerprint or pin pad to unlock the LNK9. Pull the trigger. This is called a dry fire. Now, I'll pull the slide back about 1/4 of an inch while also pulling down on both of these tabs. This will release the slide and it will move forward off the frame. Remove the recoil spring from the slide by pushing slightly forward with your thumb and raising it. Remove the barrel from the slide. Wipe down the barrel and slide using a lint-free cloth. Use your cleaning rod and solvent to clean the interior of the barrel. Next, lightly oil the friction points. Inspect your LNK9 for cracks, uneven wear, or corrosion. To reassemble your LNK9, you'll carry out the same steps in reverse order. Replace the barrel in the slide, then the spring. Depress firing pin safety to ensure free movement. Feed the slide from the front of the frame and pull it past the rear of the grip until it clicks into place. Once reassembled, perform a function check and test the trigger safety. To test the trigger safety, grasp the sides of the trigger without pushing back on the central safety tab. Pull back and ensure the trigger will not engage. Be sure to lock your LNK9 before replacing the magazine. Make cleaning a regular habit. Proper care supports the safety, performance, and reliability of your LNK9. For more information and resources, visit lodestartech.com.